Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 4th of September, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 3rd of September, 2024, our system has identified Google as a sell candidate, resulting in a score of negative 3.53. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a decline of 0.5%. This equates to an average loss of 0.25% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently rests within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further decreases may occur. The existing 3-month trend points to a potential decline of approximately 12% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from about negative 15% to just under 1%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of nearly 36% over the next year, with a projected return between 36% and 73%. This suggests a price range between $214.49 and $273.07 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Google includes the headline, Google's stock price down just over 0.5% on Wednesday. The Google stock price decreased by just over 0.5% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 4th of September, 2024. The stock fell from $158.61 to $157.81. During the last trading session, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 1.88%, with a low of $157.44 and a high of $160.40. It is noteworthy that the price has declined in 7 of the last 10 trading days, showing a decrease of 6.6% during this period. Additionally, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which can be seen as a positive indicator since volume should typically align with stock price movements. On the last day, the trading volume dropped by 9 million shares, resulting in a total of 16 million shares exchanging hands for approximately $2.51 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $193.30, while the lowest price was $121.46. Currently, the stock price is 18.36%, or $35.49, below the 52-week high, and 93.76%, or $2,369.18, below the all-time high recorded on June 11, 2021, when the price peaked at $2,526.99. European Union antitrust regulators are preparing to gather feedback on Google's compliance proposals related to technology regulations aimed at promoting fair competition. This indicates the potential for formal charges if Google fails to meet these standards, which could negatively affect investor sentiment in the short term. Meanwhile, Google is entering a new trial focusing on its digital advertising business, starting next week, following a setback in a significant antitrust case. Legal challenges often increase uncertainty, leading to fluctuations in stock prices as investors respond to possible fines or operational restrictions. Furthermore, recent data shows that ChatGPT is capturing market share as an alternative search engine, presenting a competitive challenge to Google. This change in user preference could have lasting effects on Google's dominance in the search market. potentially resulting in revenue declines if the trend persists. Analysts have also highlighted various remedies that the government might impose after Google's prior antitrust defeat. Such regulatory pressures can create a difficult landscape for Google's growth, raising additional concerns for investors. Lastly, despite these challenges, initiatives like Waymo's efforts to monetize its driverless car technology offer potential areas for growth. Nonetheless, the immediate focus lies on how effectively Google addresses these legal challenges and competitive threats, rendering the outlook for Google's stock uncertain in the near term while encouraging long-term caution among investors. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 24th of July, 2024, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned Google a rating of outperform along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 10th of July, 2024, it was reported that Cowen and Company rated Google as a buy with a hold action. On Monday, the 8th of July, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush gave Google a rating of outperform with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 11th of June, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities rated Google as a buy with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 22nd of May, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Google a rating of buy with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Google stock. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts classify the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Google. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, several negative signals were also issued, which may impact the near short-term development. The Google stock is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, leading to a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. On upward corrections, resistance may arise at $163.39 and $168.29. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 10, 2024, and thus far, the stock has declined by 18.09%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. During the last trading day, the volume decreased alongside the price, which lowers the overall risk, as volume is expected to follow price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 40 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal from 1 day ago. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 31 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 16 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you would like to discover more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume beneath today's level. Under the right conditions, the stock could experience significant declines in the coming days. Generally, this stock exhibits controlled movements, and due to its good liquidity, the risk associated with it is considered quite low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $2.96, which represents a change of 1.88%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.5%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Google, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the P/E ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively normal P/E ratio, commonly observed in companies with long-standing performance records or stable revenues. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 22nd of October, 2024. Analysts collectively estimate earnings to be $1.83 per share. It's important to pay attention to these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at 160.54. If you do not currently hold any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already own the stock, this could serve as a strategic point for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below this level, which suggests that the stock could potentially decline sharply under certain circumstances. It is essential to proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such conditions. The combined average rating for Google from multiple analyst sources is categorized as a buy. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 17th of June, 2024, R. Martin Chavez conducted an insider purchase of 5 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the 17th of June, 2024, R. Martin Chavez also conducted an insider purchase of 2 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the 17th of June, 2024, Francis Arnold conducted an insider purchase of 2 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the 17th of June, 2024, Francis Arnold again conducted an insider purchase of 2 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the 17th of June, 2024, Francis Arnold also conducted an insider purchase of 1 share of Class C Google stock units. Based on the most recent 100 insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative, with a ratio of negative 16.088. In summary, insiders have purchased 1,074,694 shares and sold 1,516,434 shares in the last 100 trades. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Google stock a good buy? Currently, Google exhibits several negative signals and is situated within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate it will continue to perform weakly over the next few days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 5th of September, we expect Google to open at 74 cents higher, starting at $158.55. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.